Hi, this is Mr. Marcus, and in this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own musical math help video for extra credit. Step number 1 is to identify the math concept or skill that you want your music video to reinforce. Here you can see my identified math concept is slope equals rise over run, and the fact that you have to rise before you can run. Think about when you get up in the morning. Another way rise over run is represented is using the Greek symbol delta, which looks like a triangle. Rise is the change in y, over run, which is the change in x. Then, after you've identified the key math concept, step number 2, you ask yourself, did a key word in the concept remind you of a favorite song? Were you thinking of this famous song, You Raise Me Up by Josh Groban, when you saw the word rise? Then, step number 3 is to select a short 10 to 15 second stanza from the song's chorus.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas.
Following the identification of this 10 to 15 second piece of the chorus of the song, step number 4 is to count the syllables in your chosen lyrics. You raise me up, that's 4, so I can stand on mountains, that's 7. Then you raise me up, 4 again, to walk on stormy seas, 6. Okay, step 5. Replace the lyrics with your lyrics that state the math concept. This is truly the part of creating a musical math video that is the stumbling block for most people, because this is where you really hit the most challenging but yet the most creative part. So, in referring back to the math concept, which is slope is rise over run, and you have to rise before you run, I think to myself, let's see, you raise me up, that's 4 syllables. So I can stand on mountains, that's 7 syllables. So how can I replace these lyrics with my own words, but still follow the same number of syllables per line? Well, let's see. When I first started playing around with this, and it is trial and error, I came up with you have to rise. That was pretty easy, 4 syllables, you have to rise. But the second line I really struggled with, because at first I came up with before you can run, but before you can run is only 5 syllables. So I thought to myself, oh my God, I need 7. And then I said, oh, ever. That's the other 2 syllables. So that's how I came up with before you can ever run. 7 syllables. Then the real fun but scary part is when you take your words, once you've matched the correct number of syllables, and try it out with the music. Okay, I can't sing, so I'm just going to kind of say it, as it appears with the music. But let's take a look. You have to rise before you can ever run. Hey, that didn't turn out too bad, did it? So now I repeat that process. I got, okay, well, I still need the part, about change in y over change in x. So I go to the second part of my lyrics, which was you raise me up, 4 syllables, to walk on stormy seas. Okay, that's 6. And I need to go through the same process. So I refer back to my notes, and I see rise over run means change in Y, means change in Y, 4 syllables, over the change in X. Wow, 6 means change in Y over the change in X. Very cool. So now the final, last step, number 6, is to check your song one more time to make sure it works. Let's do it. You sing along this time. I'm going to be quiet.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be,